Isang maganda po sa inyong lahat mga kapatid. Katapos ko lang ng devotion and I would like to say mga minamahal, bakit maraming Kristiyano nagpe-fail sa ministry? Bakit maraming Kristiyano ibang attitude pagdating sa ministry? Especially those who are leading the ministry. I would like to remind all of us Christian that the ministry is a place where we serve. It is not a place where we shine. Hindi po natin kailangan sumikat, hindi natin kailangan makilala. You don't need to speak that I am the leader, you have to follow me. Alam po nila yun. What they want to see is a leaders with a humble heart. Hindi mo po magiging ng influence pag wala kang relationship sa kanila. Then I remind you leaders, I remind you to all who did the ministry, na priority nyo yung relationship with them. And the respect and the obedience will follow. Muli po si Pastor Ann ng Shepherd Staff. God bless you all po.